Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix linking another card to PayPal. First, securely log into your PayPal account. Once inside, locate the Wallet or Bank Accounts and Cards section. This is where you manage all your payment methods. From there, you'll want to try and relink the specific card that's causing you trouble. We'll walk through the common steps to get it working smoothly again. Many linking issues stem from simple data entry errors. Double-check that your card number, expiration date, and the 3- or 4-digit security code are all entered precisely. A common pitfall is a mismatch in billing addresses. Ensure the address on your PayPal profile is identical to the one your card issuer has on file. Also, confirm your card hasn't expired or isn't subject to any bank-imposed restrictions. After attempting to link, PayPal often places a small, temporary charge on your card, usually less than $1. You'll find a unique 4-digit code next to this transaction on your online statement. Enter this code into your PayPal account to verify the card. If you don't see this charge within 2 to 3 business days, it's wise to contact your card issuer to confirm they are allowing these types of transactions. If you've diligently followed all these steps and are still encountering problems, it's time to reach out to PayPal's customer support. Be prepared to provide them with any specific error messages you've received and detail the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. As a temporary solution, or if the issue cannot be resolved, consider linking an alternative card or even a bank account to ensure your PayPal services remain uninterrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.